Hi everybody, I just wanted to take you through the week number one of quarter two module. Um, so before we begin, always make sure you check your email in Canvas inbox here for any emails that I may send you before class, and then also make sure you go to announcements. So let's go there first. And you're going to check your announcement for this week. So we are on week number one, quarter two. And the announcements are there are no Zooms today. Please complete the following activities. So you actually have six, but one of them carried over from last week. In case you didn't do it, I extended the date because I want to make sure you guys are doing that. But the first one you have is the PFT ab curl test, and that's due Friday, and I'll talk about that a little more in depth. Then you also have the quarter two grading and expectations quiz. We covered that last week. I assigned that, so a lot of you have already completed it, but if you have not, please make sure you complete it by Friday. You're going to watch a video regarding grading and then just reiterating the expectations for this class and then take a quiz on it. And then for Tuesday's assignments, you have two. You'll have fitness logbook number 3. It's going to be due Tuesday. And then in order to access the discussion, because you're going to choose an activity from the discussion, you'll go back to the research project discussion board in week number 4, or you can find the discussion tab on the left side, which is going to be right here. If you click that, it'll take you to the discussion as well. So there's two ways to get to the discussion. And then you have a quiz, benefits of running. That one's due on Tuesday. And then you have your mile run on Thursday or Metaconda, and then your exercise research project number 2, which will be due on Thursday as well. And I'll talk about each of these a little more in depth in just a few moments. Make sure that you're watching this video, which you're watching right now, and it will unlock your module. So let me go ahead and take you to the module. So if you notice, right here we're on week number 1, quarter 2. It looks like it's all locked. So in order to get to it, you have to just click on the instructional video. And then once you watch the video, you go through everything, you're going to hit next. And then it'll take you to the quarter 2 gradings and expectations review video. Like I said, a lot of you guys have already done that. So once you're done with watching the video, hit next. And then it will take you to the quiz. So just make sure, keep in mind, it's 10 questions or 10 points, and you have 30 minutes to complete it. So here are the instructions after watching the video. Complete the quiz. So you're going to just click here to take the quiz. I won't start the quiz, but you guys just know how to get there. Once you're done with the quiz, it'll take you to the next assignment. And then this is the PFT curl up test. So basically this video here will show you how to complete the test and how to perform it. And then once you feel pretty comfortable watching the video and understanding how to do it, you're going to hit next. And then this is the curl up cadence. So if you hit play, it'll just play the sound similar to what the push up cadence did. It'll just go up, down, and it'll stop after, I believe, 80. So the test score will range between 0, if you can't do any, to 80 is your max. Okay, so make sure that you don't go beyond 80. Or if you do go beyond 80, just make sure that you write that you only did up to 80. So then when you hit next, here are the instructions after watching the curl up instructional video. Please use the cadence to perform the test. Afterwards, fill in the PFT curl up score with a 1 or 2 digit answer only between the range of 0 to 80. So if you click take the quiz, it's going to take you to the same question. Please write down the number of curl-ups you did. The score must be written within the range of 0 to 80. Only a 1 or 2 digit answer is acceptable. I don't need you to write any explanations of how you did, what was wrong, anything like that. So you're just going to put in whatever score. So say you completed 45. So you're just going to hit 45 and hit submit, and you're done. So just 2 digits, that's all I need. Or if it's less than 2 digits, if you did 8 or 9, then just write that, okay? And that's all you need to do. So when you go back, that one is due. So like I said, you have 2 assignments that are due Friday. So you have your grading and expectations quiz, and your curl up score is due Friday. And then you have your assignments that are due Tuesday. So you have your fitness logbook number 4. So here are the instructions for this. So you're going to for today's workout, you'll be choosing another workout created by one of your classmates. So you remember a couple weeks ago, you guys posted on the discussion board. So you're going to go back to either week 4, or just, if it's easier, just click right here on discussions. And from discussions, you can access the old discussion and find a workout of your choice. And make sure that you go through the workouts, find one you like, write your name on it. That's worth 5 points. And then in the submission assignment, right, submit assignment button here, make sure that you include what the workout was called, who created it, how long it took you to complete it, and the RPE. And that's worth the other 5. So you get a total of 10 points for completing this activity. Okay, and then I just provided a couple of examples of good responses that I want to see when you fill out this part right here. Okay, so then we'll go to the next activity, and the next one is your benefits of running information. So you're just going to read through the article. Once you've read through the article, then you're going to click next, and then you're going to take the quiz. So reminder, you have 10, you get 10 points. It's 10 questions. You have 30 minutes to complete this. So once you hit take the quiz, the 30-minute timer starts. Make sure that you are around to complete that quiz. If you get up and walk away and come back 31 minutes later, whatever you've done automatically saves. So just keep that in mind. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead. So those are the 2 activities for Tuesday. And then for Thursday's activities, you have your mile run and your research project. So we'll talk about that in just a sec. So our mile run, run a minimum of 1 mile. Track it on your cellular device. Make sure you are using Nike Run or Strava. We've been doing this for a few weeks now, so you guys should be pretty comfortable with doing this. If you're running outside, use your phone to track, and then just screenshot me that, and you're going to submit that right here. If you're running indoors, here are your indoor instructions. Make sure that you're taking a selfie with your treadmill, or just on a piece of paper or post-it, write your full name, date, and the word of the week is workout. So that's going to be worth, this right here is worth 4 points, and then you get 3 points if I see distance and 3 points if I see time on the dashboard. So if you need to submit 2 photos so I can see everything, please do so. Make sure you get your full credit. And then here are your Metaconda instructions if you plan to do the Metaconda workout. I've had a few people send me videos of them working out and it's not Metaconda, so they may not, if you got a 0, that's probably because you didn't do the right workout. It's not a workout of your choice, it's this workout here. Okay, and if you're not sure where to find the info for that, if you go to modules, there's a how-to section. You scroll all the way, I believe it's at the bottom. Let's see, how-to video instructions. You'll have the Metaconda instructional video and the timer right here. Okay, and if you're not sure how to complete it, here's a video on how to complete the Metaconda assignment. So anything that you need for how-tos are going to be here, how to use the Strava app, Nike app, so all this info, okay? So let me go back up to, okay, so let me go back to the cardiovascular workout. Okay, so make sure that when you submit your assignment, if you take a photo, screenshot the photo, save it on your desktop. That's the best way to do it. And then when you get to file upload, just choose your file, select from the desktop, and then you just insert it, and you're good to go. You can also use the website URL. So if you have like a Google Docs, you can put it there. If you do have media, this is also a good way to record your Metaconda. Just click record, and then your computer will automatically record and send it straight to Canvas. And then you also have the Google Drive option. So those are all your options for submitting. Make sure you attach whatever you need to, and then hit the blue button for submit, and then it should automatically submit. If you ever, when you select the submit assignment button, if you, here, let me show you an example. So if I just hit done, submit, so it shows me that I submitted because it'll tell me resubmit assignment. That shows me that I already submitted something. Okay, obviously writing done is not going to be a completed assignment, but I just wanted to show you an example of what happens. Okay, so then the last assignment for the week is going to be your research project. So this week you're going to research a new exercise topic. Choose one of the following exercise topics from the list below to research. So it must be different from what you've already done. And then make sure you write a minimum of 2 paragraphs about it. Okay, so make sure that 2 paragraphs, 4 to 5 sentences in each paragraph. Okay, if I'm not seeing 2 paragraphs, you're going to see your grade drop a little. So please make sure you're following instructions with that. And I provided a list of different activities that I want you to research. Make sure you include this information here. What's the activity? How do you do it? Where did it originate? Talk about its history. How old is the activity? What types of equipment does this exercise activity require? Typically, how long is this workout? Make sure that for this week, you're not going to recreate an example workout. We'll do that next week, like we did in the previous one. I just want you to know the information about the exercise activity, okay? And then when you submit it, you're going to make sure that you click this load exercise research project number 2 in a new window, and then it'll take you to turn it in. So make sure that you're doing this activity in your own words, okay? Make sure that you're not just copying and pasting the information, because if you have a high copy paste percentage, I will not grade it. So please put this in your own words. Do not plagiarize. If you are going to cite sources, cite them properly using the APA format, but just don't copy and paste it and submit it, okay? And then once you're done with that, those are all the activities for this week. I think we should be all done. So if you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to email me right here through inbox and Canvas. Send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you need to set up an appointment for office hours, I'm always available from 9 to 9:50 every morning. Just email me so I can send you a Zoom link so we can meet one-on-one. And other than that, have a good week.